Hey, welcome to the episode. I'm Dr. Frankenstein, and you can see that I finally got the generator out of my truck, and I'm able to work on it and move around it. Got a few hours after work, not much daylight left, but I got shop light and lights I can set up to work on this thing. I kind of wanted to rip into it and replace a few things. It's got the original glass fuel filter on it down here, and I want to break open this thing and maybe clean out the old gas that's in it. I don't know how long it's been in there and how many times it's just been recirculated, mixed up with new stuff and old stuff. I just want to give it a fresh start. Take out the gas tank, shake it up, rid of it. So let's go ahead and get into it. Went ahead and took off the mounting bolt so I can take off this whole shroud right here. I'm going to leave this off because I want to repair the dents in it. There's a bad dent right there and a dent on this side. There you go, dent right there. I could pound that out and make it look new again. Pick up the decals. Maybe give it my own kind of paint job. I don't know. Can't tell at this point. I want to see this thing actually is going to run good. Hence why I don't want to spend any serious amounts of money on it. And luck. Standard. Standard, I mean, not metric. Kind of looking at this thing, got red everywhere. Like, it's not normal. Is this supposed to be red? Or was this some other color before? I think someone sprayed it, tried to make it look nice, and now it just looks like caked on paint. Could be worse. I saw one guy taking it apart and he found rats inside. A rat inside there. Big old bird's nest underneath here. I'm not joking. You can look it up and find the same one. It's LINCWELD225. There's a guy that actually found rats inside of his machine. Yeah, that's pretty bad. You know, I'm going to go ahead and spray a little bit of paint on that. Hopefully it'll stop some of the rust. This thing might need to eventually be replaced, but I ain't going that far. Got some high heat ceramic paint left over. I didn't pick this for this project. That's what I have. I have this left over from a barbecue build I did, and I'm just going to use it. Now I'm going to work on the back side. So if you guys were wondering, that's the gas. Pretty cloudy. I thought I'd have a lot more sediment floating around. I see water in there, but there was already water in the container before. I could probably burn that up and use it, but I'm really not that desperate. I got fresh stuff over here. Handy dandy light out. Let's see on the other side. And am I gonna get lucky again? Hey! 76 seeds. Awesome. So here's the original fuel filter. I believe glass bowl. Yeah, stuff floating around in there. Yep. No good. I ain't gonna use this anymore. Maybe I can sell it on eBay. Original Lincoln 225 glass bowl filter. I ain't no mechanic, so if I say something wrong, I'm a welder. So I'm kind of inclined to fix this thing. I don't want to lose any of the clamps, so the hose that it's on, because I'm going to reuse this. I'm just going to tighten the clamps right where they were. And set this part in my toolbox. Oh, barely even on there. Pull it right off. that aside as well. That's where the fuel goes to the carb. Screw back in so I don't lose it. That's actually supposed to be connected. Kind of work. That was actually harder than I thought, but I got it. That thing definitely needs to be cleaned.